Hey.
Today we are spending part of our day in the hotel. They have a foam party, which we are looking forward to, and then the rest of the day we are going to go and try and find some of the weekend markets. So this is the view from the window, and then down there is the pool, the slides. Right, so we are taking the big kids down swimming while Summer takes a nap, and then she is going to join us down at the pool when they have a foam party. Alright, so we just talked to a taxi driver, and it is normally 800 baht from Surin to Phuket, but he's going to give it to us for 750, which is about 35 Australian dollars one way. It's crazy busy in here.
Oh.
At the hotel. You need to hop out the car.
Yeah.
Okay, so that's us for the day. The foam party was really good. It was in the deep end of the pool. Our kids aren't tall enough yet. And so with the foam on top of the water, it just made it quite hard for them to breathe. And with Dale being in there with 3 children, he could only really hold Summer. We ended up just all going to the shallow end of the pool. Then the weekend markets were so good. There was so much to see. Lots and lots of stalls. We didn't even see them all. I think we were there for nearly 3 hours and the food was really good. Yeah, it was just a little bit hectic though. The aisles got crazy busy. So now we are back and we're going to go to sleep. And tomorrow we are going to the Phuket Elephant Sanctuary. Which I'm really excited about.